everyone, this is just a simple messy twisted bun. First we smooth it up, tie it into a ponytail like this, nice tight, nice and secure. Then spray with some texture spray, pinch and pull the crown a little bit just to give it a bit more volume. Then split the bottom half into two. Then all we're going to do is just twist it over onto each other like this, and then tuck in all the flyaway that we have. Then when you get to the bottom, spray with some more texture spray, pinch and pull it just to give it a bit more volume. Next, just bring it over on top of the ponytail like this, twist it around a little bit, and then you just pin away with some bobby pin. Just use the groovy side down, says make it nice and secure. Use as much as you need, tuck it away nicely. Then just like twist it, the bobby pin over, spray with some texture spray again, and pinch and pull it out nice and big, voluminous. Just make it messy as you prefer. If you have any more flyaway, just pin it down like this, and then spray with some hairspray, and this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. I really appreciate every like and watch. Thank you so much. Bye.